just came back from inspection. We just came to the office. Our wonderful and exceptional driver. Okay. All right. This is Benjoui Plaza. Can you see the building? Yes. Benjoui Plaza, number 181 Peter Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic. Okay. This is the plaza, right? And this is where Mercy Homes and Properties office is. Okay. Let me show you so that you don't miss your way whenever you are coming to the office. That's why I'm showing you our office now. You see the building? That's the entrance where the driver is going to. He's going upstairs, just the first floor. That's where Mercy Homes and Properties office is. Okay? We are right now at Peter Odili Road. Can you see? If you are seeing that tree over there, that's Chicken Republic. We have Oando filling station by the side also. Okay, so directly opposite Chicken Republic at Peter Odili Road, okay, 181, you will see Benjoui Plaza, and this is where Mercy Homes and Properties office is. And if you look at the signboard, you'll be seeing Banana Island. Can you see it? New Banana Island is there, showing right in front of Mercy Homes and Properties office. So just quickly call Mama Good News 0903429659. Okay, with this video alone, even with your Google Map, okay, or a boat can always bring you to the office. Alright? So I'll be waiting for you to come to our office and make payments for the plot at Gulf Estate for 30 million naira, or your new Banana Island for 6 million naira. We also have some lands as Rumukurushi for 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. So whatever your budget is, there is a land for you. Yes, from Mama Good News, I have land for your budget. So instead of keeping that money in the bank, you go there, transfer it, and get a property in your name so that you can have peace of mind. Okay? Alright. Let's go to the office. Hope you have seen this. Yeah. New Banana Island live in Port Harcourt. Can you see? Yes. That's our signboard, alright? This is it. Follow me, let's go to the office.